As a foreign language learner, achieving fluency and accuracy in the language can be a challenging task. However, I'm here to tell you that with determination, you can overcome any obstacle and reach your goals. Determination is the key to success in any endeavor, and learning a new language is no exception. It takes time, effort, and patience to master a new language. But with determination, you can push through the difficult moments and see progress in your abilities. When learning English, it's important to set specific, measurable goals for yourself. This could be anything with learning a certain number of new vocabulary words each week to being able to hold a conversation in English without hesitation. Whatever your goals are, make sure they are challenging but achievable. Once you have set your goals, it's important to stay motivated and focused and immersing yourself in the language as much as possible. This could include watching English language movies, listening to English language music, or reading English language books. Learning a new language is a journey, and progress will come in stages. Some days you will feel like you are making great progress, while other days you may feel like you're not making any progress at all. But no matter how you feel, remember that with determination, you'll reach your goals.